Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to perform unattended installations of Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get right into it. To perform an unattended installation of Windows 11, using the Autounattend.xml file you downloaded, our video on how to generate answer files, or Autounattend.xml files for Windows 11, might help you. The link is in the description below. Follow these steps. Prepare installation media. Get a USB flash drive, 8 GB or higher, ready. Download the Windows ISO file from the official Microsoft website. Download the Rufus application from the official website. Create a bootable USB drive using tools like Rufus or Media Creation Tool. When creating a bootable USB drive using Rufus, make sure to create the bootable USB drive without selecting any of the customized Windows installation options in the Windows User Experience window. Keep it all unchecked. Add Autounattend.xml file. Copy and paste the Autounattend.xml file you downloaded to the root directory of the bootable USB drive. Alternatively, you can add the Autounattend.xml file to the Windows ISO file using tools like AnyBurn to use it with applications like Ventoy or install it on a virtual machine. Download the Windows ISO file from the official Microsoft website. Download AnyBurn from the official website and install it on your computer. Open AnyBurn and select Edit Image File. Then select the image file, which is the Windows ISO file. Then click on Next. Now click on Add, and choose the Autounattend.xml, or drag and drop the Autounattend.xml. Then click on Next and change the file name to something like Windows Autounattend. Then click on Create Now and wait for the process to finish. Then you will be able to copy and paste the Windows Autounattend ISO file to Ventoy to perform unattended installations of Windows or use the ISO file to install Windows on a virtual machine. Windows Setup will automatically detect the Autounattend.xml file on the USB drive. The setup process will proceed unattended, applying the settings specified in the Autounattend.xml file. Depending on what you have selected in the Autounattend.xml file, for some steps, for example, if you have selected Partition the disk interactively during Windows setup, you will get the Partition disk window to set it up manually. Once the installation is complete, the computer will restart, and Windows will be installed with the settings specified in the Autounattend.xml file. This process automates the Windows installation, saving you some time and ensuring consistent setup across multiple devices. Note: test the Windows ISO file before deploying to multiple machines. Test the Autounattend.xml file on a single machine or virtual machine to ensure it works as expected. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.